Say hi, Willow. Say hi, Willow. Say hi, Theo. Say hi. Yeah. Say I'm gonna see you guys soon. I'm coming to Key West. Say I'm coming to Key West. Yeah. And you're gonna eat some Elsie Bonet, tell them? Yeah. And what else?
No.
Yeah. What else? Say okay, bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Okay, Ryan's done talking.